Registering a container. To register a container, start by going to the BCMB SIMS portal at portal.bcmb.ab.ca, which can also be accessed from the BCMB website on the top right of the screen. Enter your email address and password. From the manufacturer portal homepage or from the registration tab, select Create. Enter the container size in milliliters. Select the container material from the drop-down menu. Select Find Containers. Select the correct option from the search results. If there are no search results that match your container, please reach out to the BCMB registrations team by emailing registrations@bcmb.ab.ca. Select the Next button. Enter the product name. The container field will be auto-populated based on your selection from the previous page. The beverage type will be auto-populated based on your company beverage type. If your company sells or distributes more than one type of beverage, you will be required to have separate BCMB SIMS accounts using different email addresses. Enter the container UPC code. If the container does not have a UPC, reach out to the BCMB registrations team by emailing registrations@bcmb.ab.ca. If applicable, enter the product flavor. Select the collection method from the drop-down menu. You will now need to upload images of the container from a saved location on your device. It is important to note the following. The images should be of the actual container, not images of lay-flat labels or digital renders. Images should be clear and easy to read. Image file names cannot contain special characters. All images combined must be under 10 megabytes in total size. Image file types must be one of the following: .gif, .jpg, .jpeg, .bmp, or .png. Under Images, select Choose File for each container image required and upload your images of the container UPC, the front of the container, and the back of the container. If the container is plastic, you will need to also upload an image of the bottom of the container, which shows the recycling symbol or resin code. If this is on the container somewhere other than the bottom, upload the image showing the symbol regardless of the location. If the container labeling is not in English and you have added an English label as required by Canadian Food Inspection Agency standards, select Choose File for Container English Label. Upload an image that shows the English label attached to the container, ensuring it does not cover the UPC. Click Submit. If you have multiple containers to register, select Register Another Product after each entry has been submitted. When you are done, click Go Home. This will take you to a default view of your active registrations. Select Registrations Pending Approval. You will now see the registrations that you have successfully submitted. If additional information or images are required, you'll receive an email from the BCMB registrations team. Once the container is approved, you'll receive an email confirmation. If you have questions or require assistance at any point in the process, please do not hesitate to contact the BCMB registrations team by email at registrations@bcmb.ab.ca.